Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever struggled with sleep, you are not alone. Millions of people turn to sleeping pills for relief. But are they really as safe as they seem? In today's video, we are diving into the truth about sleeping pills and the hidden risk that everyone should know about. So, what exactly are sleeping pills? Essentially, they are medications designed to help you fall asleep or stay asleep. They can be over the counter, like antihistamines or prescription drugs such as benzodiazepines and Z drugs. While they can be effective in short term, there are some serious concerns you need to be aware of. Let's talk about the benefits first. Sleeping pills can be a quick fix if you are dealing with a lot of stress or jet lag. They help you get that much needed rest. But, and this is a big but, the longer you rely on them, the more risk you take on. Long term use can lead to dependency, where your body becomes so used to the medication that you can't sleep without it. Plus, over time, you might need higher doses to get the same effect, which increases the chances of side effects. Speaking of side effects, here are common ones: dizziness, daytime drowsiness, memory problems, and even headaches. These might seem minor, but they can really impact your daily life. Imagine feeling groggy and unfocused all day. It can affect your work, your relationships, and your overall quality of life. But it doesn't stop there. Long term use of sleeping pills has been linked to some serious health risks, like an increased chance of developing certain cancers, respiratory issues, and even memory loss. Studies have also shown a higher risk of accidents like falls or car crashes, especially in older adults. These are risks that many people aren't aware of when they start using these medications. So, what can you do instead? There are actually plenty of safer alternatives to help you sleep. Practices like good sleep hygiene, regular exercise, and relaxation techniques such as meditation can make a big difference. You can also try natural sleep aids like melatonin or herbal teas. These methods might take a bit more effort, but they can be just as effective without the risk. Sleeping pills might seem like an easy fix, but the long term consequences can be serious. Before you reach for that bottle, consider the risk and explore the safer alternatives. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and advice. Sweet dreams.